Here's the secret to oilless omelets. It's rice paper. Wet it, stick it in. Oh. It doesn't burn. Look at that. That's it. Hold its shape. No oil. Alright, now that your brain's a bit scrambled, let's make that omelet. Skillet's on medium. Rice paper over here. Let's wet that under the top. That's it. Just rinse off the excess here. Wait about 10 seconds and then push it into the pan. You just don't want this to crack. Goes in nice, that's how it looks. 2 eggs maximum. I have salt, pepper, some spice, and some veggies inside. Just pour that right in. You can fold the sides in a little bit, if you want. Let's get a good view of it. That's it. Cover it up and the steam will cook it from the top. You've got a good 10 minutes before the rice paper burns. You'll only need 6. That's it. Slide it out of the pan. It is hard to cut through the rice paper, so it's best to fold it like a calzone or roll it up and eat with your hands. But that's it. You've knocked off the extra calories from the extra olive oil. Bon appetit.